Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You've completed basic setup. Now take the first actionable steps. Open your profile, verify identity if prompted, and enable two-factor authentication to secure funds. Next, define clear goals, retirement, trading, or saving, with a time horizon and risk percent. This shapes asset choices. Then link your bank using instant or micro-deposit verification so transfers clear faster. Once done, fund a small initial transfer to test workflows and make sure notifications are active before placing trades. Now proceed to execution and ongoing analysis. Build watch lists and set price alerts so you don't miss entry points. This keeps decision-making disciplined. When you're ready, choose order type, limit for price control, stop loss to limit downside, or market for immediate fills and confirm size and fees. Simultaneously review chart patterns and fundamentals. Earnings, revenue trends, and volume help justify trades. Once you place an order, monitor fills and adjust alerts. Make sure you understand fee impacts and settlement timing. Finish by closing or adjusting positions according to plan. Review performance versus goals and rebalance if allocations drift. Small, regular rebalances reduce risk. Export tax reports and transaction history for records or your accountant so you're ready for filings. If the app misbehaves, failed orders, stuck balances, or missing data, capture screenshots, note timestamps, and contact support immediately. Provide device, app version, and network details. If transfers delay, verify bank routing and micro-deposit amounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.